Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to resize a button in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and I have simply added a button widget in this section. And to edit this button, you just need to move your cursor over the button and you will find a pen icon in the top right corner. You need to click on that, and when you click on that, you will find content setting, style setting and advanced setting in the left side toolbar. You just need to go to the advanced setting and you need to scroll down, and here you will find the transform option, and in the transform you will find the scale option. So you need to click on the pen icon in front of a scale, and you can simply increase or decrease the scale of this button. So this is how you can simply resize a button in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.